All right. So, oops. There we go. So we have combining like terms expression here. 7t plus 3t minus 3t plus 2. Okay, when you're combining like terms, the most important thing you want to recognize is if the variables are the same. Okay, the only way you can combine like terms is if they have the same variable and the same exponent. Now, in this case here, we have t and raised to no power, right? We have 3t raised to no power, and we have negative 3t raised to no power. Okay, I always encourage my kids to, when we looking at the individual number, we want to look at the sign as the negative. Okay, normally this would be read as minus 3, but since we want to read the 3 by itself, that'll be negative 3. So we got negative 3t, positive 3t, positive 7t. What makes them alike is that they all have the same variable. Okay, the t. Alright, so we combine them by whatever the signs are. So 7t plus 3t equals what? 10t. Okay? And 10t minus 3t equals 7t. Alright, and then the constant here, 2, positive 2, doesn't change. So our final answer, 7t plus 2. Okay, final answer.